So excited. I'm getting rid of pretty much almost all my clothes, like stuff. I'm like, I have this thing, like, I'm like, no, I know I'm gonna wear it one day. No, this new attitude of mine, I woke up today on a whole new level. I woke up feeling good, really thinking about God, and really thinking about pushing good positive feelings so mad good things can happen, because I already read the book The Power. I left the book at my job because I'm reading it at work, you know, to keep me sane. But anyways, if you guys read the book The Secret, well, there's another book called The Power. You guys can go check it out, order it. I actually got mine from Goodwill for only $2, so that was like a freaking steal, you guys, a freaking steal. Yes, I just have on my bra. I was sweating so much I had to take off my scrub top. But today, you guys, I'm getting rid of pretty much half or almost all my wardrobe. Your girl is glowing up this year, really dressing me. It's not that I don't ever dress like me. I feel like I still buy things here and there that I just don't need or don't fit me properly, or it's just like, girl, like, stop spending money on shit you wear once, you leave it in your closet, and it still sits there, and you keep telling yourself you're gonna wear it. No, out the window. So put on some white shorts. So I'm actually making 2 piles. One is gonna go to my best friend's job because they collect clothing for women and children in need. We do the same thing at my job, but I didn't really hear information about it, so I just been giving it to her job. This will be my second time, and I just don't mind helping out, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a pile for her, like clothes that I want to give to the community health center, and then I'm going to make a pile that's in the Play-Dohs so I can make extra cash for my vacation. You know what I'm saying? You can never have too much money, just saying. So let's get started while the sun is still out. I'm hot. I cannot wait till this is over so I can shower. Like, been at work all day, got home at 12 because if you guys saw my snap and my last vlog, either that vlog will be up before this video or not. My cousin, he is officially, well, in 13 weeks he will be officially a fighter, and he's awesome EMT. He's a paramedic. He's already a paramedic, but he went for training and all that. Well, he's in training. Watch my snap. It was just so cool and amazing to see like where he's gonna stay at, like basically the base. I ain't never been alive. I used to listen to one. You think I ain't peeping your game? I know you peeping my flavor. They wanna be in my place. I have to show you guys the actual pile. Let me pause my music. Oh, you know I'm listening to Queen Naija Medicine right now. You know, Riri is on my screensaver. Girl Queen Medicine. And then I have to put all like my mainly like sneakers, dressy shoes, like stuff I wear more. But you guys, this pile of a mess is so freaking ridiculous. Like, alright, you guys, so my bed is pretty much clear of all my clothes. And this is the pile that I'm getting rid of. All this stuff right here came out of my closet. I'm pretty sure I can have like another pile. But yeah, so all my pants and stuff is organized. My sweats and stuff. All my winter stuff is going back towards that way. So you can tell I have a lot of winter stuff. I mean, besides those two in the front. Over here is more like my crop tops, bodysuits, and graphic tees. So my shoe organizer. So I know, totally different. So I took off my wig, hopped in the shower because your girl was catching a mean headache going through all this stuff. So I'm glad I'm done. I'm gonna rest. I actually have to do my hair over, like wash it, braid it over. Your girl hair is getting really, really long. My hair is like up to my collarbone when I straighten it, but I haven't done that in a while. But I'm actually done, you guys. I'm pooped. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog, my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you, love bugs. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. I'm gonna go take an Advil and watch Scream 3 on Netflix and call it a day. I have a headache and I think I need to chill. So